Spanning over 2 acres of level land surrounded by mountain views, one is immediately struck by the stunning landscape, sounds of nature, and the rushing stream. Welcome home to 2189 Riceville Road, located in charming East Asheville. This lovely home boasts beautiful mountain and pastoral views, soothing sounds from the babbling creek, and 2+ acres of level self-sustainable grounds with abundant garden space. This fine craftsman-style home features a rocking chair front porch. Entering the front door, you are greeted by gleaming hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, and centerpiece wrought iron staircase in the foyer. Looking further, you'll notice the beautiful gas log fireplace in the great room. You can't help but notice the natural light streaming in. This home features an informal and a formal dining room, as well as a breakfast or entertaining bar. So many choices for entertaining friends and family. Appreciate this well-designed kitchen that boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry. The elegant white shaker-style cabinets feature a corner glass pane display cabinet. The kitchen flows to the formal dining room and then on to the living room. The main floor master bedroom features a tray ceiling and a large master bathroom with his and her sinks, large vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. A screened-in deck overlooking the rushing water in the creek as well as mountain and pastoral views makes this area a welcome retreat at the end of any day. A laundry room and a guest powder room round out the main floor. The grand staircase leads to a spacious second-floor landing where you'll discover 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a bonus room that's perfect for any number of family activities. Looking to the right, you will see the first large bedroom. With its dimensions of 14.9 by 17.6, this room is spacious. The next room is also large at 14.9 by 11.2. This third bedroom is currently being used as an office, followed by a large bonus room. One of the many exceptional features that sets this home apart is the income-producing, fully functional Airbnb that has its own private entrance. Abundant storage is available in the basement and attic. The basement has over 1,000 square feet of unfinished space that could easily be finished with windows and doors that have already been installed. The barn, chicken coop, and garden area is ideally located at the back and side of the property. Come make this beautiful property your dream home.